Get ready for the most anticipated smartphone of the year, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. With our new titanium frame and curved edges, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is more durable and more comfortable to hold. Our new action button lets you not only mute your iPhone, but also customize for many other shortcuts and features. Experience next-level performance and stunning visuals with the powerful A17 Bionic chip that's faster and more efficient than ever. Capture every moment in extraordinary detail with the upgraded camera system featuring our new 5x periscope camera, 48-megapixel primary camera, and next-generation LiDAR scanner. Immerse yourself in a cinematic experience with the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display that's brighter than ever and our most accurate display yet. Stay connected and never run out of power with our new USB-C port for faster charging and faster data transfer. Enjoy lightning-fast downloads and seamless multitasking with the advanced 5G connectivity and Wi-Fi 6E, as well as the safety of satellite communication for those times you have no reception. Unlock your iPhone 15 Pro Max effortlessly with Face ID, now faster and more secure than ever. Stay organized and productive with the improved iOS 17 that introduces amazing new features and customizations. Choose the storage capacity that suits your needs, from 128GB to a whopping 1TB. Introducing the iPhone 15 Pro Max, available in our new dark blue titanium and starting from $1,200.